Now in this part of the video, I'm going to show you some of the commands which would be implemented in the terminal of the Linux with the help of the screen, and which would be implemented in this project. So now let's begin with this. So now to open the screen window, I'm going to put the command here as the screen, then /dev/tty, then ACM0, which is the total name of the USB port in the Unix environment. And then I will put the baud rate that is totally aligned with the Arduino IDE. So now I'm going to press enter and you will be watching the advanced effector. So actually the code has been implemented, and you are going to show that the angle of an object and the distance of the object from the sensor. So now let's try it with some of the real life applications. So in this area of code, I have mentioned the two keys here, that is the S and enter to actually run the train, and by pressing B and then enter to stop the train. So now let's try this if it is working or not. So now I'm going to press S here so that the train will begin to start. So now let's see. Now let's do the B command to stop the train. So finally done with this command also. Now let's start the command. Now let's start the train with using the S command here now. So train has started. And now let's try the B command, B key, to stop the train. So now the train has been stopped. So you're also watching all the indications in the terminal screen right here, the obstacle detected, train stopped. This is something a very amazing thing. And also with instance of this, as I have mentioned in my proposal also, that I would be also using the processing software as a radar system to detect any object at a particular angle. So I'm going to show you that also. So now in the processing, I have included the code, and let's try to run this code. So I have started running the code, and you're watching that the software has been included here, and it is measuring the angle from the base of it. So it is a radar system over there, and the train has been particularly stopped at this position. So now let's put this object at the ultrasonic sensor, and you will be watching the radar would automatically stop there. So now let's do this. So this is what actually happens. I have placed the object, basically. I'm going to place the object. And this is what happens, that it is actually stopped. The radar has been actually stopped after placing this object. So this is the overall presentation, and you're watching this whole video, whole scenario. I hope that this actually fulfills the demands for a HD. Thank you.